In this video, we're going to look at some of the real-time capabilities of Kafka and why Kafka is a great platform for real-time data applications. So what is real-time? There's actually a few definitions that can be used to define apps based on their processing duration. So classic processing is usually batch processing. Batch processing are just large amounts of data all processed at once, usually over the span of an hour or multiple days. For example, maybe you're processing daily financial information from a company to see how it's performing. Another definition is near real-time applications. Near real-time applications are usually what are referred to from real-time applications. These are applications that are almost real-time. Usually they have up to a second of delay. We might also refer to online transaction processing applications. These are applications that require a lot of transactions in order to drive their application. So for example, an ATM, which needs to return data and processes every few seconds. And then there's also something like a web search, which also needs to return queries within like half a second. So these applications are actually near real time. And then some applications are what we call true real time. So these are applications that react extremely fast, so within a millisecond. It's very hard to achieve this speed, but sometimes it's needed for extremely critical systems. For example, financial trading systems or security systems, where if we waited for a second, a lot could happen between that second. So we need to react within a millisecond for those applications to be relevant. So what are the real-time capabilities of Kafka? Kafka is actually often used for real-time applications because many of its features allow us to easily move messages across many data systems in real time or to process streams extremely efficiently. Recently, Kafka even includes a stream processing API, which allows us to easily create a stream that can go through Kafka and be processed extremely easily. This is what the Spark Direct Kafka stream uses. So let's look at some of the real-time capabilities of Kafka. Kafka allows us to easily scale applications in order to achieve higher and higher volumes of data, which means it's extremely high throughput. This is important because some of the real-time applications require huge amounts of data. For example, if you're streaming from Twitter, you could have huge amounts of tweets coming in every minute that you would need to somehow maintain through Kafka streams. Kafka is also really good at dealing with large data backlogs. This is actually important in case a system goes offline and needs to catch up what Kafka had. This might also be important for systems that don't come online all the time. So maybe you have a system that can only check on Kafka every 10 minutes and only process data every 10 minutes. So Kafka actually lets us be extremely efficient with that. So this means that Kafka is actually great for dealing with offline and intermittent systems, along with systems that are always online. Kafka also has a really low latency. It's designed